Here's a set of XDP Street Performance Pushrods built to eliminate a weak link in your truck's Valvetrain. Factory pushrods aren't designed to handle increased cylinder pressure, higher RPM, or upgraded valve springs common in modified engines. Even in mild builds, flex in the stock pushrods can cost you power, and you won't always see it until something fails. In the box, you'll find a complete set of XDP pushrods, manufactured from Chromoly tubing that's cold-drawn over a mandrel for maximum strength and rigidity. Each CNC-machined tip is made from 86L20 bar stock, core hardened and triple tempered for wear and impact resistance. These pushrods are available for a wide range of Ford Powerstroke, GM Duramax, and Dodge Ram diesel applications. So if you're upgrading your truck, increasing power, or just want to eliminate weak points before they become a problem, XDP's Street Performance Pushrods provide you with strength and durability to maximize the potential of your engine.